Hello, do you want to know how to remove the A-pillar trim from your Saab 9.3 saloon or wagon? Come with me and I'll show you how. If you want to learn more about how to look after your car, how to fix things, then subscribe to my channel, interact in the comments section, giving your tips and techniques. Let's get right to it. You won't need many tools. A plastic trim removal tool and a 10mm socket. With your trim removal tool, use the fine end to prise the airbag badge out of its position. And now with the 10mm socket, undo the bolt that's in the hole. With a plastic trim removal tool, because you don't want to damage the cloth, so get behind the trim, pull it away from the pillar this way, roughly parallel to the windscreen. Lift the trim out along its own length. These two tags, 1, 2, they fit into these slots here, 1 and 2. These two clips, they slot in to the body in white. Putting the trim back isn't especially tricky, but you may want the fine end of your trim removal tool to run along this join just to make sure that the material edge is down behind the fascia there. Also make sure that at this point here you get the trim behind the seal flip. Push the trim up toward the A-pillar at the top corner. As you do so, make sure that the edge of the trim is lining up with the seal flip as you go, and then they simply snap into place. Put your screw back into place, just lightly hand tight, no need for a lot of torque. The airbag badge only goes on one way, and hey presto. Hope you found that video useful. If you did, give it a like, a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to add your comments and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time on the other side of that screen.